Okay, so let's say something went wrong with installation. You weren't seeing the menu items you were expecting to see, or certain settings weren't coming up, or names were looking different, or for whatever reason your microphone or USB device is not working. We can do a couple things about that. We can try and fix it. General procedure here is going to be uninstalling everything and reinstalling it. 99% of the time that does fix the problem. There is a very slim chance your microphone is defective, in which case you can contact us and we'll help you out. But otherwise, most likely we can fix this just with correcting a driver setting discrepancy. I'm currently on one of our stereo USB devices. If you have a mono one, you're going to do just the first half of this. You're not going to be uninstalling the proprietary software that comes with the stereo USB devices. So first, we should talk about if you have an adapter versus a microphone. A USB adapter is just an interface between a microphone and the computer, which means that you need to have some type of external microphone plugged into your USB adapter in order to record sound on your computer. So if everything was looking right and you just weren't hearing anything or weren't seeing any sound being recorded, make sure you don't have a USB adapter. If you do, it would say USB adapter on your order confirmation from us. If you do have a USB adapter, you need to plug in an external microphone in order to record. If you are certain though that you do have a USB microphone and you're still having problems, then we can continue. So what we're going to do is, first thing, we're going to go into Device Manager. This is a list of all the devices plugged into our computer, external or internal. The USB device is an external device that's plugged in via USB, and it's a sound device, so it's going to show up here in sound, video, and game controllers. We're going to drop this down, and here's my device, the Andrea Com USB SA. Yours might say C-Media if it's a mono USB device. So what we're going to do is we're going to find that one. We're going to click on it once, and then right click it and go to uninstall. And it says warning you about to uninstall. We're going to hit OK. We're going to let this uninstall. It's going to give us this message: to finish removing, must restart your computer. Do you want to restart? You're going to hit yes. While it's restarting, you're going to unplug the USB device from your computer. So you can hit yes. It's going to start rebooting. While it's doing that, unplug the USB device from your computer. I'm going to hit no just for the video. Okay, now let's assume you're back into your computer. The USB device is unplugged. So what we're going to do now is so for mono USB people, what you want to do now is just plug in your USB device again. The computer should go through another install and hopefully fix the problem. For stereo USB people, what we're going to continue to do is we're going to type in change or remove a program. We're going to in here. Here is our drivers we installed, or our proprietary software that has the drivers. We're going to uninstall both of these Andrea Electronics programs. So we're going to find the first one, uninstall. Yes, I want to select to remove all components. Finish that one. That one's gone. Uninstall this. Okay. Now for stereo USB people, the USB device is still unplugged. We're going to leave that unplugged. Finish. That's done. Now, as a final step to uninstall the software, we're going to go into our File Explorer. You can access that here, or right-click on your Start button and go to File Explorer. And we're now under this PC, under our local disk is usually the C drive. You'll see two folders, Program Files and Program Files x86, or you might just see x86. You want to click in there, and you will usually see a folder called Andrea Electronics. You're going to right-click that and delete, and that folder should disappear. You can go in here, Program Files, make sure it's not in there. It's usually not. And then close File Explorer. So now that we've done that, you stereo USB people are ready to go and restart the installation via the install video, and you'll just go through all the same steps. You'll install the drivers, you'll plug in the USB mic, and you'll make sure there's settings, and that usually fixes the problem. If that doesn't fix it, give us a call and we'll work together to get it sorted out.